Sorry, I just sent a message to. Oh, we're playing 50v50.
I don't mind.
Oh, I'm not the party leader. Yeah, put it in duo there.
Oh, sorry.
Why?
Yeah, I got a 7-kill win there yesterday solo, and we got a duo win then last night. The boys got 3 back to back, did they?
Yeah. I think I joined. They might got 4 actually. I'm sure I got 3 from it, and they had won 1 before I played.
Yeah. We had a sweaty night playing duos, man. Jesus Christ. It was queer hard, boy. It was such a weird day yesterday because everyone was trying to get the challenges, you know?
Yeah. What do you reckon, Anarchy? Oh no.
Sorry, bud.
Right.
Nice new backpack.
Oh, you like my backpack? Yeah, it's got sweets on it. Yeah, I bought my PlayStation Plus and put a £5 on the account while I was at it, so 12 quid, got the 2 skins. No, someone go in there, fucking ditch it, go to the fucking...
Sound. Is that you?
No.
Shit out of me.
That's fucking mad, isn't it? Did it break the top of the tower?
Yeah, new chest there now.
2 chests. I knew I was gonna fucking fuck you over, but I didn't know that much.
Ah well.
Sorry, bud. Yeah, solos. How to get solo wins. Fucking hard, brother. Very, very hard. Some days just...
One, yeah.
Some days just everything just goes pear-shaped. I get one, usually I get one in the day, usually if I sit down and try, but I mean, I remember the longest I think I ever went was 3 days, right?
Right.
After the initial, I spent 3 weeks solid sitting in front of my PlayStation trying to get a win. And in the end, I got it by sitting in a bush and like some guy, the last guy had been in a fight and he was looking for me, but he didn't build because at the time building wasn't a thing, you know?
Right.
And he walked straight out by me and I just pumped him in the face and that was it, won. That was my first win. It's all about confidence, Whitey, that's what it is and that's the truth. So what you're doing, landing in tilted and stuff, landing in tilted and stuff is a savage thing to do because it just, you know, and treat every fight like it's the fight, not, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Not like, oh, there's 6 left or whatever. Treat every fight like it's the last fight. I have minis. I can carry them if you want.
Alright, okay, yes, sir.
And never give up the high ground, no matter what. Even if you've hit him and he's dropped below you and you think he's trying to heal, just don't give him that position, because that's when you get pumped in the face or you get a rocket launcher or...
Yeah.
The second you're below them, you're building now, you're wasting your mats, now you're in a bad position, you know.
Yeah, well on that last game I went to Risky, but you know that little tree that always has chests at the bottom of it?
Yeah.
I went to that first and then ran up and built straight up onto the billboard, and I took 3 or 4 of them out, because I just had the high ground and they had no materials to build with.
Yeah, that's it, exactly. But even myself, I've seen it, because I watch my videos, I replay them and stuff, and I have to watch over them to edit them and that, and I see a lot of my own mistakes, you know. And usually it's like, I gave away the high ground. The amount of times I was in a 1v1, and I shot a guy, pumped him in the face, and you know they build themselves into that box, and you're over them. And I was shooting down and shooting down, and I jumped into the box. And while I was up on top shooting down him, he was the one that was under pressure. The second I jumped down into the box, I got pumped in the face or shot, you know.
Yeah.
Game over. When I was up on top of the box shooting in at him, I had the advantage. He couldn't bandage up, but he was going to run out of material eventually.
Yeah.
But so I'm playing on 8 now, but that's because like I'm playing aggressively all the time. I'm trying, like I was landing in. Someone here. 2 people here. Hit him for 60. Hit him again. Hit him again. Hit him again.
Not them.
Did we get them both, yeah?
Mine eliminated straight away, so I guess so. Yeah.
Bitch. You ain't fucking with me. That was stressful enough, I'll be honest about it. I look at what I had, look at what I left behind me, look. A pistol and a sub. Oh, is that a common? Oh, I'm gonna take the burst. The burst actually melts people, brother. Med pack here, I'll take that in my life.
Someone coming up the other side of Tomato Town at West. Literally behind the little tomato. Got nothing to shoot with at distance.
I see him, yeah. He's seen us beforehand though.
Go around the left and get the high ground if he goes in the tunnel.
I'm gonna take his head off, you know that. He's peeking too hard, bruh. Is there any solo, is it?
I think so, yeah.
He's in the storm now and everything. This guy's in a lot of trouble.
Shit,
oh, guys on you, guys on you.
Sorry, man.
What are you sorry for, brother?
Okay, I'm done. Yeah.
Get up, mate!
I'm still getting used to the shotguns up close. It's really hard.
It's the sensitivity though, brother, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Oh my god, the stress, brother! Whew!
I'm gonna put a wall and put it on the wall, it shoots you further.
Does it?
Yeah, if you build a wall behind you.
Oh yeah. Oh no!
my food.
I've no back on my yoke either. In a bit of a bad spot here, bud.
He's in a worse spot. Oh.
Fuck this.
Yeah.
Let them boys have their fun. Hey?
Second more and he would have had an extra mouth to talk out of.
Yeah. There's them guys, look. That's a team, is it?
I guess the guy... Oh yeah, there's more building up the other side as well. Yeah, team. Right there. You and one other guy left.
Here he is.
Yeah, well played.
GG! Too easy!
Daddy.